Alright. I keep backing up, you keep getting close. Alright, yo, part 2, Hellcat rebuild. We had got a new frame machine. We'll start it up, put it inside, knock the doors off, pull the frame. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this joint, somebody was in a shootout in this joint. We're gonna show y'all the bullet holes once we get it out the hole. That's a bullet hole, right? Oh, look like one too. Bullet holes, right?
This one for sure. That one for sure. This one, I don't know. Who knows for sure?
Alright, pull it in, right? Is it rolling? We got this new frame machine off of eBay. It was like 1,700 bucks. Just a little smaller than what we usually had. Just want to try it out, see what it do. So it got these 2 attachments right here. So these attachments, they go on the pinch weld on both sides. So for it to go on the pinch weld, we gotta remove the rocker molding on both sides because the rocker molding is covering the pinch welds. So once we get the rocker molding off, we're gonna slide the frame machine underneath, get it up on the pinch welds, and get the doors off. So y'all can see, you getting right into it, sawing the doors right off. The car was hit on that side real bad, or the car hit something on that side real bad. I think the car hit a pole. The driver, whoever was driving, maybe they got into a shootout because y'all seen the bullets in the clip before. Y'all seen the bullets, so maybe they was getting into a shootout, and then they just, I don't know, they just hit a pole because that's what it looked like. We take the doors off, they're gonna see the seat is caved, like it's caved in. So if somebody was sitting in that passenger seat, they would have died. They was not surviving it. So here we started the removal of the back seats, bottom part. The lower bottom of the back seat was no damage to it. The side was, mushed a little bit, but that's nothing big. That come right out. And after that, we hopped on the fender, got right to the fender. It was a little challenging, just a little bit, but then we got it because the wide body flare is in the way, so it's not like a regular fender. You gotta remove the one screw on the side, then take it out. But it finally came out. Okay, so right here, he's pulling the center post, trying to straighten it out, using the hammer, straightening everything out. Gotta hit that joint up a little bit, bang it out. And this is the frame machine working right here. So this is what y'all seeing. Just pulling it out, trying to get it straight. It's going well so far. It's a lot of progress getting done in a short amount of time. So on today's episode, as you can see, we got a new frame machine. We got this from eBay, $1,700. We got rid of our old one. It was just a little too big and bulky for the job. So we pulled the frame out, got the frames pulled out as much as possible. So right now we're just cutting the outer skin of the center post. We got a user right here. It's gonna drill this out, cut off the section that we don't need, weld on a new section, and then just body work the rest of the dents and the damages that's on the car. We pulled out the seat because there was some damages behind the B pillar or C pillar. We got the seat right here. You can see the airbag deployment right here on the side of the seat. So we're just debating whether or not we're gonna get a new airbag and get the seat repaired, or if we're just gonna get a whole new seat entirely. Check the seats online, not that much, like $400 on carparts.com. I forget what else. But yeah, next, we're gonna cut right here, cut right there, cut this section off right here, cut this section off right here. We got a replacement frame cut. It's a little short, so we're just gonna try to section it off as best as possible. We're gonna test fit the doors, make sure everything lines up. Then we're gonna start doing the grind and start getting this thing welded on. Once everything lines up, we're gonna do some body work, get it all primed up, and hopefully get it ready for the boot before the end of the week. The hit was bad. It was hit harder than I expected, but for the most part, it came out pretty straight. We're gonna get our laser and our leveler just to make sure everything is straight. We should be good to go. Hopefully by the end of the month, 2023 jailbreak Hellcat should be on the road. So right here, I'm not sure what device he's using right here,
but I think it is to straighten the frame out. So as y'all can see, he mounting it, and then he gonna plug it into the air compressor. It stretches out more and more, so that's what he doing right here. And then y'all see him, he checking the pillar, making sure it's right, I guess. From there, see, he moving it to the back now, straightening the back out. You gotta weld a little bit, banging it out a little bit right here. Some more welding in the back, cause you know at the bottom where the seat was, is like it was cracked a little bit. So I think that's what he welding. He welding that part up right now. So he doing right here, welding that part, getting that part right here. Test fitting the doors, trying to see if the doors close. Yeah, I think they do close. So we getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. Then from here, right here, he pulling the frame from the fender weld. Cause that side, it wasn't really damaged, but it was pushed in a little bit. So from there, he pulling the frame, and as y'all can see, the car moving a little bit. So yeah, it's supposed to be more stable, but it's moving a little bit. But the frame getting pulled, so we getting somewhere.
My man, he put this joint together quick, with the quickness. He put the 2 doors on, did the frame pull with the eBay frame machine, did a little welding here, a little bang bang boom boom there. You know what I'm saying? The doors, nice and smooth. Gonna do some body work all up in here, grind all the welds down, put some Bondo in it, primer, paint the center post. Then we're gonna take the doors back off, cut the doors in, paint the doors, do the body work on the pillar, do a little body work up on the roof, up on the quarter panel. Then we're gonna throw it in the paint booth. I'm gonna mix the paint, y'all. So y'all gonna see me mixing the paint. I hope it match. But we're gonna blend the whole side in. We're gonna blend the fender, we're gonna blend this quarter panel, probably blend the roof, blend the hood. So just check back in like 2 weeks. It's gonna be done. It's gonna be on the road.
So right now, he applying all the body filler where it need to be applied to. The door jambs, the quarter panel, the pillar, and even the doors. Y'all can't really see the doors, it's out of the frame, but he applying it. He's sanding the doors down, applying the body filler. He chilling a little bit, and he got right back to it. And yeah, y'all not gonna see all the footage because this file got messed up, but that's what he doing right here. So he getting the car ready for paint. And if y'all don't know, this is what you had to do when you're fixing the car. You about to paint it. This is the last step, well, almost the last step before you put it in the booth. And that's what he doing right here, getting it ready. So right here, he wet sanding the doors, getting them ready, because the doors are 2 different colors. One was black, and I think the other one was like blue, right? Black and blue, yeah, as y'all seen in the clip before. So, you know, guys, wet sand it, make sure it's smooth, get it ready for the booth, because the whole thing getting painted. It's not like he just got to paint the outside. He got to paint the inside and the outside, because it's 2 different colors. And I think he gonna use a lighter primer, so when he spray it, the color matches, or it's close to matching. The color of the car is like a royal blue / French blue. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. Search those 2 type of blues up. It remind me more of a French blue though, like a French blue type royal blue a little bit. So yeah, you gotta make sure you use a light primer on this joint.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video. In progress on our Hellcat. Finished the body work, did the center post, did the body work, primed the center post. I had a little bit of body work on the roof, as well as some body work on the quarter panel. Everything is all straightened out. We're going to paint the inside of the center post. We're going to cut the doors in. We're going to blend in that quarter panel, blend a little bit over to the trunk, paint the roof, blend a little bit over to that side to the roof. We're going to blend the fender, and then it should all be set. We took the wing off just to make sure we get good coverage. Make sure the clear coat hits all the spot. We want the job to come out, you know, real nice and clean. That's pretty much it. We're gonna start it up, get it up inside the booth, get the paint mixed up, and then hopefully in the next couple of days, you guys are gonna see the final result.